Over the past year, we have been busy developing new spaces to support learning and teaching. The long-awaited Active Learning Classroom launched earlier this month and will be available for class bookings this fall. The classroom is a welcoming environment in which instructors can explore and experiment with active learning pedagogy. It was designed to incorporate values developed by the Teaching and Learning Spaces Working Group. It reflects Indigenous design principles identified through the Indigenous community consultations and features a mural by Indigenous artist Miranda Black.
It has a lot of opportunities to be flexible with your teaching, to try new things, and to engage students in a variety of ways. Whiteboard tables, all the furniture is movable. There's a variety of different kinds of seating. So there's a million different ways to use this space.
And as we return to campus and think about the value of in-person learning experiences, this is going to be the kind of space that really allows us to imagine and try great new things.
The Tech for Teaching Studio is a small but flexible space at the Center for Excellence in Learning and Teaching, located at the Daphne Cockwell Complex on the 7th floor. The space is uniquely designed for creating easy-to-produce, short-duration multimedia content that can be integrated into teaching. In fact, this video was produced using some of the equipment from the studio.
What's really exciting about the Tech for Teaching Studio is not only is there a lot of different technology that can be used in multiple ways, but the fact that we actually support you through that whole process. We're here to help you think about ways of integrating that technology into your class, as well as some support after you've created things to make sure that it really works within your class as well. We have a whole group of students who are available to help with the actual production, and our team is really excited to meet with you and see what we can accomplish together.
This year, we return to offering events, workshops, and retreats in person. 2023 also marked the first live event hosted within the center itself. The launch of the Black Studies Initiative website welcomed members of our community to come in person or join the event virtually.
To have some of the leaders and the makers of that knowledge was breathtaking. I'm so honored and pleased to be part of it and to contribute to the spreading of Black knowledge in that way.
Other in-person activities this year include 4 3-day intensive instructional skills workshops, a course design retreat, the return of the experiential learning community of practice, and hybrid workshops on AI in the classroom.
During the pandemic, I think we found really unique ways to do what we needed to do in a virtual space. And I think we learned a lot of really valuable things, and I think there's a lot of takeaways that we can take from that. It made me reappreciate the value of being in person and being able to collaborate with my colleagues. I think we're very lucky at the center to have a space that is conducive to doing that. And I'm excited to see more and more opportunities for in-person collaboration and gathering.